Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Susan Good TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how I use just one pack of Brazilian wool to style this hair. So watch to the end and see how we made it. Thank you so much, and let's get started. I'm using just Brazilian wool for this hairstyle, just one pack. So first I'll part the hair from front till the back. And the way I'm going to part the hair, just one side. Then I'm using edge control and colorful rubber band. So this is how I part the hair from this side till the back. So now I'm going to just this side I part now is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use cornrow. So if you want to know how we make this hair with just one Brazilian wool, please watch this video till the end, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to our channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. So comment, help us to share. Thank you so much. Welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope fine. If this is your first time coming across our channel, thank you so much, and we appreciate you all. So both our new and our old subscriber, say thank you. So the way I'm aligning the hair now, yeah, this is how I'm going to finish it from beginning till the end. So now I'm done with the cornrow, and now I'm going to use rubber band to start holding two lines together. So this is how it is. I'm done doing it. Then I have to part the hair again, like start from the other side because I'm going to wrap the hair to one side. So that's why I'm parting it that way. Guys, if you don't understand the way I'm explaining it, or just please follow my hand and see how I'm doing it. So what I'm doing, I'll part the hair from the beginning till where I stop this cornrow before the back. So that's how I'm going to thread it from beginning till the end. And when I'm threading it, I use this cornrow that I packed, that I use a rubber band to hold. I take from one side, like I'm crossing it at the edge. So now I'm cutting another, I'm passing another hair. So I'm going to use the other one to cross the hair. So now it's not like crisscross at the end. So this is how I'm going to follow up till the end. And also the pattern of the threading is also going to be the same way. So when I finish threading this one till the end, so I'm going to part another one, just keep parting it like that, and until I'm done with the hair. So when I'm done, that's where the wrapping will come in. So just like I explained it, and the pattern of the hair is the same way, and now we're almost done and with the threading. So now we are done with the threading. So how to start doing the cover up is I just take four strands of the hair first. Then after taking those four strands, I just start flogging them with wool. So depends on the style you want to create. If you want to, you don't want the brushes to show, you don't have to thread it far before you add to it. But if you want it to show, you have to thread it a little bit far before you add to it. I hope you understand, guys, or how I'm trying to explain it. So this is how I did it, and I just keep adding to it, flog it hard to it, then until I'm done. I hope you are following up on how I'm doing it round. I'm threading it round. So just the way I thread the hair, the way I part the hair before I start threading it, the same way I am also tying the hair is very important to follow up this way. And really, trust me, guys, this style came out so well, and I love the outcome. Just watch to the end. Another thing, guys, a quick one. I also want to share on how to make your hair look healthy. Whatever you apply in your hair, don't forget to add oil or hair cream. It's very important to add oil to our hair. Just like you plant a flower, you need to keep watering it to make it grow fine and healthy. So the same thing with our hair. So I'm using edge control in my kids' hair, but I don't forget to apply um oil to it. I always add oil to the edge control, either before the edge control or after the edge control, but I don't fail to do it because oil is very important for our hair. So now I'm done with the wrapping. You see how I end it? So I just tied it and I put it, start as it's taking it inside. So I'm going to tie it now in the edge of one, but it's going to be down. We don't want it to show, right? So it's going to be down. I'm doing this way I tied it. I cut out the remaining parts and I just use my lighter to seal up the edge. So this is the result. This is how the hair turned out to be. So beautiful, and yeah, it's not that tight. It's good. She slept really well with the hair. So this is the result of the hair. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.